Welcome back to 876 Recipes TV with Anjaniki Kwa, but you can call me Angie. Alright, so in this video I'm going to do jerk flavored baked wings. The wings already washed with vinegar and water, drain and pat dry, and then I added about a teaspoon of vegetable oil. And now I am adding all-purpose, and this is Eve black pepper. That's a Jamaican brand right there. Also some chicken seasoning. Some cayenne pepper, or however you pronounce it. Some onion powder. And some lemon pepper. So now I'm gonna mix the spices onto the chicken wings. I'm using my hand because the gloves, wipe off the seasoning from off of the meat. I don't like using gloves unless I am preparing food for visitors. So I'm gonna ensure that the seasoning all blending onto the wings. So this is the jerk mix, a video already uploaded. It has been marinating in the fridge for about 2 days, allowing the flavors to come together. Now I am gonna put it onto the chicken wings, that is. So I'm gonna use a spoon just to incorporate the jerk mix onto the wings, because like me said, the gloves wipe off the seasoning, right? Yeah man, when you're looking at the gloves you see a lot of seasoning. My camera with no gloves right here now, but if you will be following this recipe and you want to use gloves, go ahead and do so. Alright, so I am gonna bake the wings into this container that I am lightly greasing with just a little bit of vegetable oil, just to prevent the chicken from sticking. So I'm gonna pour the chicken wings into the container, and then I'm gonna ensuring that they do not overlap each other. Please marinate the wings for at least 2 hours. Overnight is best, but if you can't do it overnight, marinate it for at least 2 hours in order for the wings to soak up the flavor from the jerk mixture, so that when you're eating it, it is nice. You understand? Yeah man, so I'm gonna marinate the wings for like 4 hours, right? Yeah man. So after 4 hours I remove it from the fridge because I marinated the wings in the fridge, right? for 4 hours. I remove it from the fridge, then I'm gonna bake it now in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. So now I'm gonna make a little sauce. This is optional really, but I'm just gonna make a little sweet and sour sauce. So I added ketchup, then I added sugar, then I added vinegar, white vinegar, just to offset the sweetness from the sugar. Okay, so now the wings finish baking, so I am just pouring some of the drippings from the wings into the sweet and sour mixture. Gonna give it a good stir. So now I'm gonna drench the baked wings into the sweet and sour mixture and then put it into another container. Then I'm gonna return it to the oven for like 7 minutes. I am not gonna put the stove on boil. I'm just gonna allow it to just, bake in the oven for an additional 7 minutes until the sauce kind of stick onto the wings. That's my ultimate goal. Yes, so after 7 minutes, that is the first batch, because the container is small, so I can't do everything at once. So I am removing the first batch, and then I am gonna put the second batch into the oven for like 7 minutes. All right, yeah man. This is my jerk flavored baked wings. Really nice. If you notice, I said jerk flavored baked wings and not jerk wings. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy mine as a finger food, but I'm gonna have it with string bean and cooked pumpkin. That slice of bread right there cut into halves is for my daughter. I am not eating no bread this week. I ate garlic bread last week, so I'm not doing any bread this week. I'm not eating bread this week. Trust me. No, sir. So yeah man, so you can try this recipe. It's really nice and it's really delicious. Thanks for watching. Walk good.